Hello students, in organic chemistry, organic compounds can be prepared using many reagents, organic reagents. Here they are named as synthetic reagents. Synthetic reagents are classified into oxidizing agents and reducing agents. Of course, organometallic reagents also there. So I want to explain you about oxidizing reagents and reducing reagents. Oxidizing reagents are also called as oxidants. Reducing reagents are also known as reductants. What is the function of an oxidant? Oxidant is a substance which oxidizes the other substances by reducing itself. It undergoes reduction, but it oxidizes the other substances. And reducing agents, these are also known as reductants. What is the function of a reductant? Reductant reduces the other substances by oxidizing itself. It undergoes oxidation, but reduces the other substances. Here two processes are involving in the synthesis of organic compounds. They are oxidation and reduction. What is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or losing of electrons. When in a chemical reaction, if oxidation number increases, that process also is said to be oxidation. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen, and addition of electron is also reduction. If in a chemical reaction oxidation state decreases, that process is also said to be reduction. So oxidizing agent oxidizes the other substances by reducing itself, while reductant is a substance which reduces the other substances by oxidizing itself. From this concept, I take oxidizing reagent. In this class, we take DDQ. DDQ is a good oxidizing agent. We will discuss about DDQ and their chemical reactions, their mechanism also. Now, see DDQ. The structure of DDQ is like this. So from here we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name is 2,3-dichloro 5,6-dicyano benzoquinone. So DDQ is a oxidizing agent which removes hydrogen molecule from the organic compounds, and aromatic solvents are used along with DDQ. So aromatic solvents means benzene. Normally benzene is used as a solvent to perform organic synthesis in DDQ presence. Benzene, toluene, xylene, many aromatic solvents are used for employing the reactions with DDQ. Now, what are the applications with the DDQ? So, applications are dehydrogenation and cyclization, insertion of oxygen. So, these are the applications of DDQ. So, we will discuss one by one. Now, the first application is dehydrogenation. Tetraene is converted into naphthalene in presence of two equivalents of DDQ. Two equivalents of DDQ. One equivalent of DDQ form one double bond. So, in order to form two double bonds in the molecule, two equivalent of DDQ is required. So, I am going to explain you the mechanism. So, observe the mechanism very carefully. How I write, you also practice in this way. Mechanism. So, it is tetraline molecule. You know the structure of DDQ. It is benzoic hydrogen. DDQ especially abstract hydrogen from benzoic position or allylic position. So you know allylic position means this is vinylic position. It is allylic position. So DDQ abstract hydrogen H- hydride ion from allylic position or benzoic position. So now here benzoic position is present, that's why it abstracts H- hydrogen along with the bond, and here what happens, see, a small rearrangement occurs like this. So after this rearrangement, so here positive charge is formed. Like this, positive charge is found, plus, and the DDQ molecule is turned into here OH, and after rearrangement, rest of the molecule is same, you know, O-. And see here, carbon ion has hydrogen, sp3 hydrogen. So, if carbon ion has an sp3 hydrogen, that turns, they form a double bond, and this hydrogen removes as H plus and attacks at O-, and to form, it is a byproduct. So OH, it leaves from the reaction measure, and here a double bond is formed. Now, another mole of DDQ. So, in order to avoid the time, in order to avoid the over mechanism means repeatedly writing the DDQ, I write this part as Q. So, Q, double bond O, double bond O. Or you may write DDQ structure initially. See here. So second mole of DDQ is going to involve here. See here another benzoic, of course allylic also there. It abstracts from benzoic position, and positive charge is formed there. And now see, I write the main product. See here, these are fixed double bonds here with respect to this mechanism, and positive charge is there, you know, adjacent hydrogen, sp3 hydrogen is there. Now this molecule I write as Q, OH, O-. Here what happens, students? Double bond again formed like this. Naphthalene is formed. So H plus attacks at O-, and it loses H. So in order to form two double bonds, two equivalents of DDQ is involved. So this is the mechanism for dehydrogenation of DDQ in benzene solvent. Okay. Now, so I am going to take another example. See, in this conversion, here there is no double bond. a double bond is formed by because of we are using DDQ, and a small migration of methyl group also takes place. For the formation of one double bond, one equivalent of DDQ is used. So how will be the mechanism for this synthesis? I will try to write the mechanism. So both are methyl groups, double bond is there, and DDQ. This is DDQ. And CM single. So it is allylic hydrogen. With respect to this double bond, it is allylic hydrogen. DDQ abstract is allylic hydrogen, and the rearrangement takes place like this. And now, see in this, positive charge is formed here. Here, migration of methyl group takes place. Why migration of methyl group takes place means, here what is the double bond is there. There is no sp3 hydrogen which is nearer or which is adjacent to that. So because double bond is present, methyl group is migrating from this carbon to carbonium ion. So after that, positive charge is present here. So I write the compound. Here methyl group is there, CS3 is there, and positive charge, and here hydrogen also present, you know. So hydrogen is adjacent to this carbonium ion. So what happens? My double bond formation takes place. This H plus ion is connected to this. So here the molecule will be how? OH, Q, O minus. So this H plus ion attacks at O minus and converted into both sides OH minus ions. Here double bond is formed. So this is a compound. So it is the application of DDQ in dehydrogenation. So I will give you two examples. Try to write the compound product. See. So take this example. One mole of DDQ is equal. So what is the product? Write down the product. The next one. One mole of DDQ. One equivalent of DDQ is equal. So try to write the product. Now the answer is, so when one mole of DDQ is used, here one double bond is formed. This is the product. So here also one double bond is formed because we use one equivalent of DDQ. This is also the product in this reaction. Okay, now the next application. Insertion of oxygen. See in this compound, here CS3 is there. CS3 becomes CH4. Formylation takes place here. So it requires, for this insertion of oxygen, two equivalents of DDQ is required in benzene solvent. We will see the mechanism. So in the first step, DDQ abstract hydrogen from allylic part. Allylic hydrogen is being absorbed by DDQ. Here positive charge is present. So here negative charge is present on DDQ molecule. That negative part is attacking at carbonium ion. Why? The reason is simple. There is no sp3 carbon which is having hydrogen. So there is no sp3 hydrogen which is adjacent to carbonium ion. That's why O minus is attacking on it. So after that this is formed. And another mole of DDQ is involved here. Here we have another allylic hydrogen. DDQ abstract that hydrogen and positive charge is formed here. And now here positive charge is formed. So after abstracting it, that molecule is remains as like this. This minus charge again attacks it. So what happened here? Another part of this molecule will happen. See, I am writing here. So after attacking second equivalent of DDQ, it followed by hydrolysis. What happened? Hydrogen, OH, 2 equivalents of byproduct is formed. Both OHs are there. So you know, students, I write it directly. If two OH groups are present on same carbon, it undergoes dehydration due to instability. So water molecule is also one, and double bond O, CH double bond O, it becomes product. CH double bond CH. So this is the mechanism involved in insertion of oxygen. So expect the product here. See, sp3 benzylic carbon, sp3 benzylic carbon is there. So what is the product? Simply CH3 becomes CHO, and here CH2 benzylic hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are there, no? So it also becomes CHO. Remaining part is same. So I am going to give you a small work to you. See, this compound in presence of DDQ in benzene solvent, when you do reflection, you get coumarin or coumari. So I ask you, write the mechanism for this. Try to write the mechanism for this. In this, cyclization is involved and insertion of oxygen also involved in the mechanism. So try to write the mechanism for this conversion. I hope you understand this one. So this is the DDQ molecule, how involves in the oxidation process. In the next class we will discuss with another compound. Thank you students. Bye for now.